Hello students, welcome back. I am Hemant sir and now we will continue with the next part of our chapter that we have started in animal and plant conservation. Okay, so today we are going to understand deforestation. It is very important to understand deforestation. Okay, so first we will understand, we will have to go through that animated video first and then we will discuss in detail about what is deforestation and what are the cause of deforestation. Okay, so let's watch this video first. I hope you will enjoy that video a lot.
Today, we'll learn about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting or clearing of trees or forests over a large area for the facilitation of human activities. It is a serious environmental concern since it can result in the loss of biodiversity, disturbances in the water cycle, damage to natural habitats, and soil erosion. Deforestation is also a major contributor to global warming and climate change. Let's see the
See, these are the very important point that you had to write down all your notes also. Okay, so it causes the loss of biodiversity. It causes the lot. It causes the loss of water cycle also. It the already affect the natural habitat, then soil erosion, global warming, and climate change. Okay, these are the effects of the deforestation.
causes of deforestation. Agriculture. Trees are cut to provide land for cultivation and agriculture. Housing.
See, what we are using, generally, we are using the soil, okay, soil for the purpose of agricultural activity. So for the large area we are covering for the agricultural activity, and we are getting that particular land area by cutting down the plants, cutting down the forest. Is it? Yes. So due to the human activity, since 2000, in 16s, not 2016, it when it is 1960. Since then, afforestation and deforestation, afforestation has declined and deforestation has increased that particular time. Okay, and it is due to the human activity only. Okay, so let's discuss the next part.
People cut trees to provide land for houses, buildings, and factories.
Again, for building the factories, houses, and this is nothing but the urbanization. For building the roads, this is nothing but the infrastructure. For the development of infrastructure, we are cutting down the plant and we are using that particular land for the construction of houses, road, industries, etc. Okay, so human being have such a greed by which it can he can moving toward the extinction. He is like human being is inviting the natural disasters towards it, because human being has started snitching from the nature, which is nothing but the natural resource.
Fuel. Wood from trees is burned and used as fuel for cooking and other activities. Furniture and paper. Trees are cut to obtain wood. Wood from trees is used to make furniture and paper. Natural causes. Deforestation also occurs due to natural causes like forest fires, flood.
So not only the human being, the nature itself also causes deforestation. Okay, generally in summer season, wildfire takes place. Probably you have seen already in television news channel already that wildfire had took place in particular that jungle area. ओके, बहुत बार आपने न्यूज पर सुना होगा कि वाइल्ड फायर के कारण बहुत सारे जंगल ऑलरेडी दे गॉट बर्न. इज इट? यस. So there are some natural sources also by which deforestation took place.
Climate change and drought. We should try to stop deforestation. Here are some ways. Very good, buddy. Plant a tree.
So afforestation means plant is very important. Plants are the only organism we have on earth which is providing food to all other entire organisms. That's why plants are very important. Plant gives us the air which contain oxygen, and oxygen ko hum pran vayu kehte hain. It's providing us the life. Okay, that's why plants are very important. So in order to fulfill the deforestation, okay, deforestation जो हमने एरिया कट कर चुका है, प्लांट काट चुके हैं, इसको फुलफिल करने के लिए हम ह्यूमन बीइंग की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वी हैव टू प्लांट द प्लांट्स ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके, इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे ऐसे स्कूल्स है, इनको प्रोजेक्ट दिया हुआ है. बहुत सारे ऐसे नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, दे आर working for the planting plants. Is it? Yes. Okay. So let's discuss more about it.
Growing more trees is the easiest way to help your planet. Don't print unnecessarily. Try to avoid printing any files you're still not sure you really need. Prefer buying recycled goods and products. A recycling icon on the product means it was made from renewable resources. Cattle breeding requires millions of tons of food of plant origin each year. Avoid eating meat and save plants easily. Don't use firewood for a fireplace. Make sure your personal comfort and luxury does not harm the whole environment. Don't buy palm oil. Palm oil is made using palm trees. Every hour, the area of about 350 football fields of wood is cut off for making this type of oil. This is definitely not a necessity. Support manufacturers that have little or no harm to nature. Avoid buying any products and goods produced by companies which are responsible for deforestation. Cooperate with NGOs that fight against deforestation. Population control is another indirect method to save trees and forest areas. To ensure a greener environment, you all must join the efforts in reducing deforestation. Now you know a lot about deforestation. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.
Yes. So this is all about beta deforestation. So now we are going to discuss from your notebook that we have prepared that. Now let's discuss from your notes that we have prepared. Okay. So what is deforestation? That we have already understood that. Okay. So cutting down of trees is deforestation. Okay. So deforestation refers to the decrease in the forest area across the world. Okay, not only in India, not only in Maharashtra. Okay, it is all over the world. That are the loss of other uses. Okay, such as agricultural activity for the cropland. Okay, for the urbanization, for making houses, industries, and for the mining activities. Okay, like mining activity also is very like big cause of the deforestation. Okay. So deforestation is greatly accelerated by the human activities. See, human activities. Humans are the responsible. और ये कब से हुआ है? See, 1960 से सबसे ज्यादा deforestation हुआ है after that. Okay. So deforestation has been negatively affecting the natural ecosystem. So deforestation हमारे ecosystem को बहुत adversely affect कर रहा है. It is very dangerous. Okay. So the biodiversity and the other climatic condition also get affected by the deforestation. हमारा जो ecosystem का natural balance है, it is again becoming more imbalanced. Okay. Next, deforestation is the destruction of the forest by cutting down the trees. So what is basically deforestation? It is the destruction of forest by cutting down the trees. It's called as beta deforestation. Deforestation leads to the habitat loss for many animals. Okay, if we are applying the deforestation, we are cutting down the trees, jungle, then it causes the loss of habitat of the many different organisms like animal as well as plants also. Okay, so why deforestation a problem? Why is the deforestation is the problem that we have to discuss now? So the loss of trees and other vegetation means different kinds of plant. Okay, can cause the climate change. They may cause the change in climatic condition. Okay, they may cause the desertification, soil erosion, and fewer crop also. Okay, then deforestation causes the flooding. The flooding has increased. Okay, and increase in temperature of the surrounding also. Okay, so increase in greenhouse gases in our surrounding, and due to which the temperature of the surrounding generally got raised. This is nothing but the global warming. Okay, in the atmosphere, and the host of the problem of endangered people. And due to the deforestation, there are many like host plant, and that particular jungle was being declined and many species of animal as well as plant got endangered and they got extinct also due to deforestation. So what happens if we stop deforestation? Okay, what happens if we stop the deforestation? So if we don't stop, first we have to understand if we don't stop, okay, and why there is a need of stop the deforestation. Okay, if we don't stop the deforestation, more than half of our plant and animal species will be extinct in coming future. That's why now we have to stop the deforestation. It is the oldest ecosystem on the earth and they are impossible, okay, to replace it. Okay, whatever the surrounding we have, it is the oldest one. And human beings are changing according to their wish and according to the human greed. Okay, so it took millions of years for rainforest to develop, and how can the replenish fast enough to cope this rate of deforestation? Okay, so there is very big environmental change took place due to the deforestation, and most of the countries they have applied afforestation in India also. Since since 10 year back we are applying 10 to 15 year back we are applying afforestation and we are planting many plants all over the India. Okay, so this is the need of afforestation. If we will not stop the deforestation, then other half of the species of the plant and animal will got extinct. That's why we had to stop deforestation and we had to apply afforestation. Okay, understood everyone? So I would say the save forest, save life, save diversity. Okay, so students, this is all about deforestation. Now we are going to discuss about the cause of deforestation. So I want everyone had to take a screenshot for that. Take a screenshot, everyone, and make your home at your home. You have to write whatever the screenshot you are taking. Okay, and you have to make your own notes also. Okay, so take a screenshot, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the cause of deforestation. Okay, so what causes the deforestation basically? Okay, so deforestation can occur due to one following reason. Okay, first one is procuring land for the cultivation. We are using that particular land for the cultivation, for the building houses and factories, and making furniture or using wood as a fuel. Okay, and the natural cause such as forest fire, okay, the severe drought, okay, and can also causes the deforestation. If there is no water in that particular land area, so the plant will die. Okay, that also causes the deforestation, and that is called as beta droughts. What is droughts? Drought means nothing but the lack of water in an area. Okay, okay, so it happens again due to the lack of rainfall, and the lack of rainfall causes due to the deforestation only. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the consequences of the deforestation. Okay, so what are the consequences? Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. So it increases the temperature of the earth, that causes the global warming, and increases the pollution like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and many other gases, okay, will release into the atmosphere and they are not going to neutralize. Okay, so this is very important consequence caused by the deforestation. One is the temperature increases of the earth surface, which is nothing but the global warming, and pollution of the earth, even water pollution, soil pollution, and air pollution will increase due to deforestation. Okay, so it increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. If plant will decline on our earth, then the green plant, that uses carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. If we will cut down the plant, then carbon dioxide will increase in our atmosphere. Is it or not? And will causes the very harmful effect to the all entire organism. Okay, and it also reduces the level of groundwater. If there is no plant in that particular area, the groundwater level will also get declined. Okay, so these all are the consequences caused by the deforestation. Okay, and here we have the one, a very important term called drought. What is drought? Drought is the lack of water in an area. Okay, so drought can happens due to the lack of rainfall. Means ऐसा area जहाँ पर पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी है, there is no water at all, or maybe the problem of water crisis happening there. Okay, this is nothing but the drought. Okay, student. So this is all about the cause of deforestation and consequences of the deforestation. Okay. So I want everyone had to take a screenshot for that. Do take a screenshot. So I hope you have understood the deforestation very well. Okay. So deforestation is really a very big problem for all, not only human being, for all other entire organisms that are living on the earth. ओके, सो मेरे साइड से एक मैसेज है आपको कि जितना हो सके पेपर का यूज कम करो. ओके, जितना हो सके रिसाइकलेबल चीजें यूज करो, सो दैट वी कैन सेव द प्लांट. आपका हर एक पेज जिसको आप सेव कर रहे हो मीन्स यू आर सेविंग द ट्रीज. क्योंकि जितनी ज्यादा पेपर की डिमांड होगी उतने ज्यादा पेपर की डिमांड को पूरी करने के लिए इंडस्ट्रीज क्या करेंगी, प्लांट इंपोर्ट करेगी, और प्लांट इंपोर्ट करेगी तो उसके लिए प्लांट कट करने पड़ेंगे. ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई जितना ज्यादा हो सके पेपर का यूज कम करें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज द मैसेज फॉर यू ऑल एवरीवन फ्रॉम माय साइड. ओके, सो जितना हो सके चीजों को रिसाइकल करो. ओल्ड बुक्स अगर आपके पास है सो किसी और को पढ़ने के लिए, आपके जूनियर आएंगे उनको पढ़ने के लिए दो, सो दैट दे विल गेट बेनिफिटेड एंड यू विल सेव द ट्रीज फ्रॉम कटिंग. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा सो डू लाइक एंड कमेंट दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको और भी अच्छे वीडियो चाहिए सो आपको क्या करना है कि सर आई वांट वीडियो ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट आल्सो, सो आई विल मेड वीडियो फॉर दैट आल्सो. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.